We've been talking a lot about the vertical rows in the periodic table and we call them groups. But what about the horizontal columns in the periodic table? Well, those are called as periods. Well, though it might seem like there are some skipping squares in between, a periodic table reads the periods from left to right. And in the modern periodic table, there are 7 periods. And as you can see here, each period is represented with a different color. Well, the thing is, all the elements in one particular period have the same number of orbitals or main shells. For example, take a look at the first period. The first period just has hydrogen and helium, and both of them have only one main shell, that is the K shell. And come to the second period now. The second period has lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. And all of these have 2 main shells, which is the K and the L shell. If you can see in this periodic table, as we go across the period from left to right, the next element is always heavier than the one before. And also, each element is less metallic than the one before. Well, that's alright, and I know that I said there are 7 periods. But what are these 2 extra rows doing here? Well, actually, this row of elements are called the lanthanoids and these are part of the 6th period. And this row below the lanthanoids is called actinoids and these are part of the 7th period. These are also called the F block or the inner transition elements. Now, transition refers to an element's property where it can easily give up or take up an electron. And though other elements in the periodic table can do this, nothing can do it as better as the transition elements. So what have we learned in this video? We have seen what the horizontal rows in the periodic table are and we have also discussed the different periods. So until next time, happy learning!